Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm a licensed CPA and daycare owner. I created this channel to help daycare owners like you keep more of your money and finally feel confident about the tax and financial side of your business. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get pretty often. Can I deduct that? So let's walk through the most common daycare expenses and what's actually deductible. So if you're running a daycare out of your home, you're a small business and you can deduct business-related expenses. Interestingly enough, you get to deduct some items that most business owners can't deduct because of the nature of your business, right? It's happening in your home. So items that are generally considered personal may actually be deductible for you as a home-based daycare owner. So that includes things like toys, books, art supplies, diapers, wipes, business insurance, kids' meals, things like that. Those are going to be things that are deductible as ordinary and necessary expenses related to running your business. Okay, so that brings up our second category of expenses, partially deductible items. So these are items that are not 100% deductible. They're also not 100% non-deductible. Generally, these are items that you're going to want to apply your time-space percentage to in order to determine your deductible portion of these expenses. So these are mixed use expenses, things like your internet bill, your cell phone bill, your furniture if you're using it personally, and then also in your daycare. Things like your rent, your mortgage interest, those kind of expenses that, again, fall under the category of mixed use, right? You're using them in your daycare, but you're also using them, at least a portion of them personally. And then our last category of expenses, these are things that you definitely cannot deduct, right? So these are things that are not deductible. And so generally the things under this category are going to be what are considered personal expenses. So items that are just for your own personal use or for the personal use of your family. So your personal groceries or snacks, the meals that you personally eat, your kids' toys, unless these are, specifically purchased for the daycare and only used in the daycare. Anything that is just for you personally or for your family personally and not used in your daycare. Those items are going to be 100% non-deductible on your tax return because they aren't considered ordinary or necessary expenses for running your business. Okay, so there we have it. Those are the items that you can and cannot deduct. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can get in contact with me by going to my website. It's abototax.com, and I will list the link below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.